Hi everyone, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries, and today I'm going to share with you all a quick, easy and delicious air fryer recipe, and it's soya tikka in air fryer which will be ready in 10 minutes. And this recipe can be enjoyed either as an appetizer or as a side dish. So let's get started with this interesting recipe. And here in this bowl I have taken some soya chunks soaked in hot water, and I had added half teaspoon of salt in the water. And once they are soft, we will squeeze out the water from the soya chunks. Next, here in this plate I have taken some red, green and yellow bell peppers cut into chunks of medium portions, as well as some onion chunks. And now we'll prepare a marination batter. For that we'll take a bowl and into it goes some hung curd or thick curd. Then goes 1 tablespoon of ground flour or besan, which will act as a binding agent. Also we'll add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. For seasoning goes some salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of tandoori masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder, as well as some freshly crushed black pepper. Then goes the juice of half a lime, and finally around 1/2 teaspoon of mustard oil. Now let's mix all the ingredients until they are well combined and forms a lumps-free batter. The batter should be slightly thick so that they coats well with the soya chunks and the onion and bell pepper chunks. So this is ready. Now let's add the soya chunks, onion chunks and the red, green and yellow bell peppers. And now we need to mix all of this so that the flavorful batter coats well with the soya chunks as well as the onion and bell pepper chunks. And as you can see, the batter is coated well, and I'm going to let them marinate with this flavorful batter for at least half an hour for best results. And now time to assemble them in skewers. First goes a soya chunk, followed by onion and a red bell pepper chunk. And this process will be repeated until the yellow and green bell peppers are also assembled likewise. And in the same way, I will assemble the remaining skewers also. So I have finished assembling them, and they are now ready to be popped into the air fryer. Well, I've already preheated the air fryer for 5 minutes and have lined it with a parchment paper. We'll now place the skewers one by one. And I'm going to air fry them first for 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After about 3 minutes, I'm going to brush some melted butter on them so that they don't dry out in the cooking process. Also, applying butter will give a nice buttery flavor to our soya tikkas. We'll close the basket and allow them to cook until the 5 minutes time we had set earlier completes. It's 5 minutes now. We'll flip the skewers one by one so that the other side also roast well in the air fryer. We'll apply some more butter on this side as well. And now we will air fry them for another 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So it's 5 minutes now, and our soya tikkas are now ready to be served hot. And here goes our delicious air fryer soya tikkas, which is a great recipe to serve with any parties or get together, as it's quick and easy to make and tastes so good. So friends, do try this interesting recipe. Also share your feedbacks. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.